Hi there, I'm Dr. Amey Parekh and welcome to The Thinking Palette. I am a dentist, an artist, a counseling psychologist based in Mumbai, India, and welcome to our art page. On this YouTube channel, you will find various tutorials from inks, watercolors, acrylics, digital illustrations, you name it and you'll find here because we want you to really enjoy the process of art. Art is something that's very close to me. It helps us to express our emotions and I want each and every one to also enjoy the process of art. So whether you're a beginner, you're an intermediate or an advanced, I'm sure there's going to be something for you to learn on this page. We aim to give you various tutorials, talk about art supplies, what you can get, a little bit of tips and tricks here and there in order to make your art journey really, really successful. So don't forget to press on the bell icon. You will get reminders whenever a new video comes up because we have videos ranging from architecture to illustrations to florals to still life to animal paintings. You will find a lot of things on this page and trust me, this is going to help you grow in your art journey very, very easily. So looking forward to interacting with each and every one of you. You can also follow our Instagram page at The Thinking Palette, where if you make something, remember to post it and tag us there so we can even see your work, share your work, and definitely help you out in any way possible. So looking forward to take you all on this art journey. I'm Dr. Amey Parekh from The Thinking Palette. Thank you.